Hello, Tim here, M7TLT. Going to possibly attempt well, not possibly because you've already seen this, which means I have attempted it, a parts of the air activation of Park Golf 0555 Ham Hill, just outside Yeovil in Somerset. First time it's being activated, so give it a go. Using the standard equipment, G90 with a LiFePo 4 battery, antenna is the M1 ECC slide winder. Yeah, see how it goes early on Sunday morning, well, early-ish, nearly afternoon. We'll get there in the end, and yeah, see how it goes, and yeah, see you in a bit.
India Victor 3 Juliet Alpha Golf.
India Victor 3 Juliet Alpha Golf. Good morning, you're 5x5, over.
Okay, 5x1, 5x1, thank you for the park. India Victor 3 Juliet Alpha Golf. 73, good park, total.
73s, thank you very much. QRZ, anyone else? Bravo Tango Delta Station, you're out the back of a box, I can barely hear you. Go again.
November 2 Bravo Tango Delta. November 2 Bravo Tango Delta.
I got November 2 Bravo Tango Delta. You are 4x2, 4x2, over.
31, Roger.
Roger for 31, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. 7-3.
7-3s, thank you very much. QRZ, anyone else?
Charlie United 3 Hotel Yankee.
Charlie United 3 Hotel Yankee, was that correct?
Roger. Thank you very much. You're about a 5-2, Tim.
Thank you very much. You're 5x9, 5x9, over.
Roger the 5x9, 73, Tim. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, you too. 73s. QRZ, anyone else?
Echo Alpha 2 Echo Zulu.
Echo Alpha 2 Echo Zulu, is that correct?
Roger. Echo Alpha 2 Echo Zulu 590 SL.
QSL 59, you are 5x5, over.
Roger. Many thanks. 73 was activation in the POTA.
Yeah, thank you very much. 73s.
Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt.
Victor Echo 1, what's the rest of the call sign again, sorry?
Yes, Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt.
Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt, you are 5x9, 5x9, over.
Halifax, Nova Scotia, over.
Yes, got you very much. You are 5x9 into the southwest of England, over.
QSL the 5 and 9, and I've got you at Golf 0555, Roger?
Roger, that is correct. Thank you very much.
QSL, thanks a lot. 7-3, have fun in the park.
73s, thank you very much. QRZ, anyone else?
Florida 1, Sierra November, Bravo.
Florida 1, what's the rest of the call sign again, sorry?
Oui, Foxtrot 1, Sierra November, Bravo. Florida 1, Sierra November, Bravo. 59 on Sud-Est of France.
59, thank you very much. Florida 1, Sierra November Bravo, you are 5x9, also into southwest of UK, over.
Okay, QSL, Golf 0555, no problem, 73, 44.
73s, thank you very much. QRZ, anyone else? Delta Lima 1, Quebec Queen Charlie, is that correct?
Roger, Delta Lima 1, Lima Queen Charlie. Good afternoon, you're 58, 58.
Thank you very much for 5-8. Good afternoon. You are 5x2, 5x2, over.
Yo, thank you. Thank you very much for the 5x6. 73, nice weekend, 44. Victor Echo 9, Mike Yankee.
Was that Victor Echo 9, Mike Yankee?
Victor Echo 9, Mike Yankee.
Yes. Victor Echo 9, Mike Yankee. I've got you 5x4, 5x4, over.
Roger. You're 44, Roger.
Yes, Roger for 4-4. Thank you very much. You sound brilliant into the southwest of UK, over.
Thank you very much. Have a great day, and thank you for the POTA.
Yeah, thank you very much. You have a great day too. QRZ, anyone else?
Italia Kilo 4, India Delta Florida IK4.
India Delta Florida Station, go again.
Okay, good afternoon. Italia Kilo 4, India, Delta, Florida.
Got question mark Kilo 4 India Delta Florida. Go again.
Yeah, Italy Kilo 4, IK4, India, Delta, Florida, and you are beautiful 59.
Thank you very much. You are 5'9". You're blowing my eardrums out. India Kilo 4 1. India Kilo 4 India Delta Florida. Yeah, you are 5'9" as well. Over.
Okay, thanks for the 59 and thanks also for the new POTA. Ciao.
Ciao. Thank you very much. QRZ. Anyone else?
Kilo 1 Romeo Oscar.
Kilo 1 Romeo Oscar. Good afternoon. You are 555. Over.
Yeah, thank you. Also 55555 in New Hampshire.
That was good. Got 10 contacts in my log. Gonna head home now. That makes me happy because it's the first time this park's been activated. So I'm happy. Mostly American stations as well. I think for the fact that I ground pegged the counterpoises was good. I think that helped, whereas before I'd just done it without pegging them. So they were just free and floating about, which was stupid. But yeah, very happy. Look forward to the next one. Cheers.